Welcome to Locapon. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to create and edit target locations on the Locapon Merchant dashboard. On the left menu, click Locations. Here you will see a list of all your locations. To create a new location, click the Create Location button. There are two main ways to create a new target location. The first way is to select the location on the map. Say I wanted to target Western University in London, Ontario. I can find Western on the map and click where I want the center of the target location to be. As you can see, the address of where I clicked will auto-populate in the correct boxes below. Now I just need to fill out the rest of the form. Make sure to always check off the active box. We can name our target location and make sure to change it to a target location. You can also add a description if you would like. Finally, I can choose the radius for this target location. Right now it is set to 1 kilometer. I can choose from any of the radiuses on the list. Let's say 5 kilometers. Now, if you click Map Location, you can see that the target area on our map has increased to 5 kilometers around the center location. Once you're done, you can click Save. As you can see, Western University is now on our list of locations. The second way to create a target location is to actually type in the address. Say I specifically wanted to target Fanshawe College and I know the address. Instead of finding Fanshawe on the map and then clicking it, I can simply type in the address. Again, don't forget to check the active box. And change to a target location. The address for Fanshawe College is 1001 Fanshawe College Boulevard. And let's keep the radius at 1 kilometer. When creating target locations this way, make sure to click the Map Location button before you save. We can now see our radius on the map. Now you can see that Fanshawe College is now on our list of target locations. To edit a location, simply click on the green Edit button next to that location. Make any necessary changes, and make sure to click the Map Location button. Then click Save. To delete a location, click the red Delete button next to that location. Be sure to check out some of our other tutorial videos. If you have any further questions about Locapon, please do not hesitate to contact our customer service team. Email customerservice@locapon.com or call 1-855-845-1220 or visit our website for more information at www.locapon.com.